Hey everybody, so today I wanted to look at 3 C's: comparison, commitment, and consistency. Life is a lot of things, but life is not boring. You understand me? Life is not boring, and it's filled with a lot of things: ups and downs, good, bad, poverty, wealth, health, sickness, joy, sadness, you name it. But you can't afford to allow them things there to paralyze your passion and the momentum that you have to execute your purpose. Comparison can be a very deadly sea. You know why? Sometimes many of us, we sit down and we compare our lives to others, and we compare it to the point where, you know, it messed with the meds. Because when you look at certain people achieving certain things at a certain stage in their lives, and you're at that stage and you haven't accomplished half of what they've accomplished, then you start to feel down. You know, you start to feel bad. Understand that if you put that effort, if you take that effort from out of comparison and put it into consistency and commitment, you know, your life could be different 3, 6, 12 months from now. Totally different. You understand me? So try to divert that energy and put it into something that can make you more progressive, more prosperous, and more successful. Because dwelling on other people's lives and other people's commitment, it really not done for your one more. It just put you in a state of depression, and before you know it, you start to suffer from high blood pressure and this and that. You know, somebody go embassy and get a visa, and you go and you don't get it. And right there, you just feel dismayed. How come CC get the visa and I didn't get the visa? No, I never pray for my visa. Understand that? You understand me? You know, CC get a new car. You know, I've been here for 10 years and CC just coming at 2 years and CC get a new car. You think I could try to get it? Don't do that. Understand that, as I said, life is a lot of things, but life is not boring. And if everybody was supposed to run the same race, the same leg, at the same pace, life would be boring, and it is not. Look at a 4x1 relay. Different legs of the race. Different people run it. You know, say somebody I run a 4x1. You understand me? Different legs. So just look at life that way and tell yourself that, hey, this is my leg. You understand me? And yes, so if it happen, probably it's another leg. Probably it's some other time. Just definitely not now. I know, you know, at times I feel like you're catching up in an age, and boy, me at 32, and boy, I mean, even have my house, me not no kids, me not nothing. You know, but you have life. You understand me? You have to at least be grateful that you have life. At least be grateful for that. Because if you have life, you know, you have hope. Your future depends on you. Your tomorrow depends on you today, on your thinking for today. You understand me? You waste your thoughts, then you'll waste a day, and chances are you'll waste tomorrow. Try to implement positive thoughts. You understand me? Try to exert all your effort into comparing your lives with others, into commitment and consistency. Once you're consistent into doing something positive, you will yield positive results. Might not be tomorrow, might not be next year, but keep that consistency and be committed with that consistency. They go hand in hand. This time they marry each other. Commitment and consistency. Marry them. You understand me? Go full force. Push yourself. Do not allow comparison to cripple your momentum. Do not allow comparison to just damper your life. You are worth more than just sadness. Stop depending too much on people. Stop comparing yourself too much with people. That is only the equation for sadness. It is definitely the equation for sadness. Alright? So just go on, evade comparison, and just go and walk hand in hand and as closely as possible as you can with commitment and consistency. On that note, have a wonderful Friday, and anything where I stress you, just try your best, don't even make it stress you. Just try to think about something else. You understand me? Just go and get us some wild thoughts. I don't know what you can do for just stop make certain things stress you. Understand me? Are certain people, you know, life is too beautiful. Me understand say you put trust in people sometimes, and you put your all in them, and you know they'll disappoint you for whatever reason, some very stupid reasons. But understand that life goes on. If you were supposed to, you know, dead, if you were supposed to be dead, you would not be here today. You're here. Just try to, you know, put your energy in something else and something positive, and, you know, just turn your life around, okay?